NZXT all the way. Hadouken! Guys, we just finished installing our computer into the NZXT H510 Elite case. This case looks good and it's very easy to build in because it's high quality. And I mean, look at this. It has a nice tempered glass. You can see our AIO inside right there. That is the Kraken Z53, but if I were to do it again, I would recommend getting the Z63. Because in front right here, you have two 140mm fans. Therefore, it's better to have a 280 AIO because it fits perfectly right above the fans. I got the 240 AIO, a little bit small. I had to jerry rig it. I don't recommend it. Again, if you're getting this case, make sure you get the Z63 cooler because you'll have the same effect as this right here, but it will work a lot better for you. Anyway, check out this case. One thumb screw right here allows you to pop up the front like this. Once the front pops up, you can lift it out just like that. Very easy. So very easy to take out the side panel. And same thing with the front right here. There's two little screws on the side. Once you take out the screws, you can just pop up the front like this, lift up, just like that, and you got access to the front as well. Pretty cool, right? So right there in center, that is the AIO pump right there. That's Ryu throwing a fireball. This computer case is simple, elegant, and nicely designed. You see right there, the radiator we have right here. That is, again, a 240 radiator, and that is a Z53, but if I had to do it again, I recommend the Z63 because it will install a lot easier and fit much better. Anyway, inside this computer, just for the specs, we have an RTX 3080 graphics card right here. We have an Intel i7 11700KF CPU, 16GB of DDR4 RAM. We have a 512GB NVMe drive. We have a 1TB hard drive in there with a 700W 80+ gold power supply. Everything looks good. Everything performs nicely. Highly recommend the NZXT case for your next build if you want something compact, high quality, and it looks very good and modern and stylish all at the same time. I love NZXT stuff, so for the next step, I'm gonna light up a little bit more with some RGB fans, a couple of light strips, and wow, this thing is gonna be even more spectacular. NZXT all the way. Hadouken!